As I promised you, I'm going to show you how to create a Cross the Street to Save the Baby game. Now, once I start the game, cars are going to start moving. I have here grandmother, she's standing on this side of the street. In the other side, there is a baby, and I have a button here. Every time I'm clicking on the button, grandmother is walking one step forward. If the car hits the grandmother, she will go back to the first position, to X. Now we need to cross the street without getting bumped with the car to reach the baby, and the baby will tell you that you saved me. Then I can click here to play again, or I can go here to play in the next level. Now the next level, cars are moving faster. They are changing their speed, fast and slow. Let's start. Now let's go to home. Create the game. We'll start the new project and let's erase this character. Now in the upper right corner here, I have the yellow corner. Here I can rename my project. So let's give it a name. Save Baby Project. Now let's draw the background. I will go and click on this icon. Here you have many backgrounds. You can use one if you want, or you can create one. We'll click on the new stage, on the white stage, and go for the paint icon. Here I am in the paint canvas. I will go for the square, black color, and I will draw street. Now I need my street to be at the middle of the page. So, okay, then I'll fill the street with color. Then we will go for the white color and we will draw the crossing lines for the street. Fix how they look like. And okay, now once I click on yes, this is my background now. Let's start adding characters. First character will be the car. You can add a character instead of car, or you can use a car that's ready here, or you can draw a car. Now for me, I draw a car. How I draw it? It's a rectangle and 4 wheels. Now this is my car. What do I need my car to do? I need the car to start on green flag and to move up forever. So my car is moving up forever. Let's start adding the baby. I'll put him here and I need to shrink him. Okay, so this is my baby. And here I will put the person who I want him to cross the street to save that baby. And I need to shrink him also. So this child is going to cross the street without getting bumped with the car and save his brother. Now I need here a circle or a button to click on so the child will cross the street, will start walking. I already have many circles, so I'm going to use one. So this circle, I want once I tap here on that circle, my character that's standing here start walking. So now I have these 4 characters. For the car, let's say car here. This is the car, child, baby, and let's rename this into go. I want to tap here on the go button. So once I tap here, the child will start crossing the street. To do that, we start here from the go button. Go should start on tab because I want to tap on it. And now, I need you to focus with me. This is very important. Once I tap here, child will walk. So if I tap here, the child will know that I'm tapping. How? This button is going to send a message that the player will not see. But we know that there is a secret communication between this button and this child. I want you to look to this block. Once I click on go, a message is sent. See, it's getting darker. So every time I'm clicking on this button, this message is getting darker. It means that a message is being sent, but there is no receiver. Now I want the child to receive the message and open it. Be careful, the opened mail, the opened message is for the child. The closed message, the message that is going for the go button. So go button is sending a message. The child here is going to receive this message and he's going to walk one step forward every time he receives the message. So let's try it. Once I click here, child is walking. Perfect. Let's play. If I click on green flag, car is moving. Once I tap here, child is moving. And we are fine. But look here. Car is moving. And the child is not going back here to X. X is the first position, the place that we started from. Once the car bumped the boy, I need the boy to go back to the first position. Now to do that, I need to put a start on bump for him. And I will tell him that every time you get bumped with the other character, please go back to your first place, to the place that we started the game with. Let's play. Now if he gets bumped with the car, he will go back to X. Okay. Now I can cross the street and save the baby. But did you see what just happened? When I bump the baby, I go back to X because I told him on bump to go X. In this case, I need to add a new stage. Erase tick again. And in here, what I will do is, I will write, you saved me, and then you can add the same button that you use and you can put it here. Now I will add play again here. Just change the size a little. Okay. Now I want my user or the player to click here to go back and play again. And when he gets bumped with the baby, I want him to go to this page. So now we need to write some code for the baby. On bump for baby, because once we bump the baby, once we reach the baby, on bump for the baby, I need to go to stage number 2. If we are here on stage number 2, I want the user to click here on that character. So tap on the character and play again. So go back to stage number 1. Now we can play. Now our game is ready. Car is moving forever. Button on tab is sending a message for the boy. Boy is receiving the message and moving one step forward. On bump, boy is going back to X. On bump with the baby, it will take me to this stage. You saved me. I can click here and play again. As I showed you, here we can add levels. Let's go for grandmother game. Okay, now here I have 2 cars moving. I have level 2. The cars are moving fast. I'll show you the cars. They start slowly, 10 steps, then the middle speed, 10 more steps, faster, and repeat forever. And I have here a middle stage. I put 2 characters. The green character, on tap on the green character, it will take me to the next stage, stage number 3. And for the yellow character, once I tap on it, it will take me to stage number 1.